Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Clive, local and long-distance movers near me. You should contact 3 Movers for your Clive long-distance movers. We have a variety of services to offer you at an affordable cost and ensure you are relieved from the stress of planning your move alone. We have a team of long-distance movers who specialize in offering this service and are willing to help you with your problems. With a team's experience, we can assure you of total safety on all your items. We have the skills and knowledge to package these items best and safely guide them to the trucks for the move. We operate with a license to assist individuals with relocation problems. We have a lot of interstate delivery testimonials, some of which you can find on our website. You will not feel any disappointment when we work for you. Every item needs proper handling and lifting with the right equipment too. We have the skills and equipment for this as well. All your heavy items are safe with us, and we will deliver them as they are, no damages or scratches. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Clive moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.